Going on, guys? Just a real quick build update on the Tekno EB48 2.0 buggy. As you guys probably know, the Tekno ESC burned up. Not when I applied power, but once I went to calibrate and do my settings and stuff. Right when I turned my radio on, I got the lights of death. So it kind of had that smell, a little bit of burning smell to it. So I pretty much pulled it out, So not much I can do with it at that point. It was a little depressing, really. I spent some time making sure everything was good on it. Solder joints were nice, and the wires were. I had everything real good on it. I spent a little more extra time on it, making it look nice and whatnot. And yeah, so that didn't really last long. So it was pretty much all out as quick as it went in. And so I opted for something a little outside of the box. Yeah, the PERFORMA Racing P1 2100 kV combo. I've never used this brand before, so not a lot of room in this chassis. So I was trying to get something that was had a smaller footprint, but yeah, I was running it about 15 minutes. It was about 89, 88 degrees outside. It was pretty warm. Running the Robinson Racing Mod 1 pinion, 18 tooth, and I got a couple temp guns coming so I can break my nitro in. So I can't give you an exact temperature, but everything was cool. I mean, I was pretty surprised at how cool the motor was running. Again, I was running the 18 tooth, but censored, all aluminum case. The bottom is the bottom casing that screws on to cover the board is plastic, but the rest of it from there up is solid aluminum. So it's good at dispersing heat from the MOSFETs. The more aluminum you can get on the ESC, the better, I believe. So standard 1270 TG servo. I got the Trinity 6000 milliamp hour battery, which again, I was doing some hard throttle pulls back and forth for 15 minutes, and my 4.2 nominal voltage only dropped down to a 4.08, all four cells. So I thought that was pretty good for a 4S pack, especially a new one that's just been around for the first time. Usually after a few cycles, you get a little bit better runtime out of them. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the battery. I'm happy with the car and the way it went together. Aluminum. The C hubs or C blocks are aluminum. I don't know if you can see them in there. Okay, yeah, that tire was a little messy. Actually, the glue job, it wasn't bad. Not to get off topic here. I did okay on the glue. I think it was just that one tire. It got a little. Actually, I started. This was the first set I glued in a while, and I started on the inside. So I must have got a little carried away with that one tire there. All right, so back on topic. Bearings, yeah. The sway bars are bearing assisted. Okay, the hubs are also bearing assisted, which is not something you find in every kit. So very smooth steering, and the sway bars, of course, with the bearings in there, are I'm sure a lot smoother than without. I'm no expert on these kits, I just do it for the hobby. I do love the 8-scale buggy, just the way it looks and everything. To me, an 8-scale buggy is like the icon of RC. You see, when you think about RC, you picture a buggy with a long antenna coming out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Other than that, that's it. I just want to do a real quick video. showing how I went together and how everything turned out. I am waiting on Dark Side Studios. They do not make a chassis protector yet for this car, so I'm waiting on him to get that cut. He's gonna start making them for this kit, and also for the 8X. I did get some skid plates here. Sumo RC, I believe it was, a local company here in Michigan makes them. These are the heavy duty stainless steel. They offer them in aluminum and plastic as well. So other than that, I'm gonna get a little capacitor. Again, I'm tight for space on this build, so I'm not really sure. I guess maybe something back in here. The only problem is the wire is going to be a little length on the wiring, but do what you got to do, I guess. Yeah, removable battery leads. I thought that was pretty cool. Dual sensor port, 2100 kV can. Yeah, I really like the mud guards, how they hold down the wiring. I thought that was a nice added touch. Motor mount is tight when you're putting new motors in. I did the Tekno T8 and this P1, and it was a little tricky first getting it in. There is no room for offside error on either side. It has to be like dead perfect for it to go in. I mean, it is real tight, but once you get it in, it's okay. It slides good. So other than that, the radio box, I mean, it's got a pretty, you probably can't see on this camera, but it has a pretty big opening, and there's nothing to really seal it off. And it is right on the side, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. I might put something in there to kind of keep the dirt from getting in there. We'll see how it turns out, but very nice shocks, very smooth, and just very good quality. I mean, machining on this kit is very nice. I have to give it to Tekno on this kit. So I'll get some running videos, and I might get a couple. I got some opinions. I might maybe go down a tooth on it. I'll do a running video, and I'll try to get some temperatures on this when the temp guns come in. See what it's running at. But that's it, man. Just wanted to share my my Tekno EB48 version 2 buggy with you guys. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.